And joining us is the chairman of Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Education, Women, Children, Youth and Sports, Dr. Vinay Sahasrabudhe. Sir, welcome to Rajya Sabha Television. You've presented a very important report to Chairman of Rajya Sabha, M. Venkaiah Naidu, today through a virtual mode. Tell us about the key observations of this committee.
Well, basically, the committee deliberated upon the preparedness of Indian contingent sports persons for the Olympic, which is happening at Tokyo in maybe June or July next year. So, considering that the time span is limited and we have to work overtime, but what exactly is required to be done? We tried to first of all understand through various federations, then ministry officials, then former medal winners also, Olympians, and sports journalists, senior sports journalists, or those who are kind of experts in sports-related issues. So all of them we consulted in 4 long meetings and thereafter formed a subcommittee. The subcommittee prepared the draft report, and I must say that this is perhaps one of the crispiest reports because we have focused on different 9 aspects of preparedness and given some 48 suggestions. If I have to reflect upon some important aspects of the recommendations that we have given, and let me say these are recommendations, these are not suggestions, so they have a different kind of weightage. And one of the important recommendations are reopening the remaining training centers and stadia for athletes because they were closed due to the COVID. We are also suggesting sending athletes and or holding international national competitions to make up for the loss of exposure due to pandemic so that in a shorter span we can prepare. The bio-bubbles required to be created so that our sports persons can go to certain foreign countries and they also can come over here. So some kind of practice matches or tournaments or competitions can happen. A 200-day plan with every day some kind of an action which is mentioned requires to be prepared to fine-tune our preparedness. And we have also pointed out that there are certain vacancies of coaches in the Sports Authority of India. They need to be filled in a shortest possible span of time so that proper guidance is given to all our sports persons. We have also given some suggestions about the health-related issues or about the NADA, National Anti-Doping Agency, how it can independently work more effectively, and its autonomy is going to be eventually helping us to fine-tune our preparedness. So all these issues very elaborately we have touched upon. Our strongest recommendations is about the financial aid. We have suggested that financial security, life insurance and health insurance should be provided to all the Olympians, not only the contingent which we are preparing, but even the former Olympians required to be given this because in case of any adverse conditions being faced by them, at least such LIC and health cover would be coming to their help.
So another aspect that I'd like to touch upon is the action taken report on Khelo India. What are the key findings there?
Well, Khelo India, what we have strongly recommended is basically the catch them young kind of a thing. And what happens is the Sports Authority of India requires perhaps greater coordination with the Department of Education as well. So there are many private universities, private colleges and even private schools that have excellent sports facilities, but they are not on the radar of Sports Authority of India. So we have suggested that they should handhold with these private institutions as well and use the infrastructure that is ready-made available over there and try to hone new sporting skills amongst the budding sports persons for that matter.
Lastly, sir, you would also be meeting the Minister for Youth Affairs and Sports.
Yeah, that is perhaps something which we have decided collectively that while Honorable Chairman was kind enough to accept our report, through the proper channel it will reach to the ministry, that goes without saying. But looking at the urgency of the whole thing and the importance, we are going to seek time with the Honorable Minister for Sports and present this report and try to bring the seriousness with which we have drafted this to his notice.
Point well taken, sir. Thank you so much for talking to Rajya Sabha Television. Reporting from Parliament with camera person Raj Thakur, I'm Kriti Mishra for Rajya Sabha Television.